Dayal, I am a former editor, a writer, a researcher, and a political and social activist. I unfortunately have had many teeth problems much of my adult life, and many of those are capped, root canal, etc. So I'm quite familiar with the process. But this time during the COVID curfew, there was acute pain and nowhere to go, so I Googled and found that there was Clove Dental in a market, Balco market, which is not very far from my house. So I and my wife came here, and I think the first thing that struck us was the quality of sanitation and the fact that it had been made ready in the face of this dreaded COVID epidemic. Dr. Agarwal has been extremely professional, very gentle and sensitive. I don't know, forgotten how many root canals I had in the last 3 months, but I don't think any one of them made me scream in pain, which had been my experience in the past. Not quite often, but often enough. After that, and I think one particular thing that I wanted to point out was, because I had a couple of crooked incisors, one at the bottom and one on the top, which were affecting not just my bite or how I looked, which I didn't much care about, but it was making cleaning my teeth very difficult. And I think after the root canal, when she was preparing them for the capping, she went out of the way and spent a long time straightening them. So when the caps came, they fitted perfectly, and I have teeth which I possibly had when before I fell from a rock and smashed my upper jaw. I think it's aesthetically pleasing, and the family is quite happy with it, and I am not disappointed at all. It's with a sense of gratitude and thanks that I commend Dr. Agarwal for her professionalism, which is so essential, particularly in dentists who get their fingers in your mouth for long hours. And I also commend Clove for the quality of its sanitation and the precautions it has taken to see that all of the doctor herself and we, the patients, are not adversely affected. Thank you so much.